Sup guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. We're going mid-travel on the truck, so yeah, we're gonna be putting on these SBC light racing upper control arms, and then going and getting an alignment and washing her up. But yeah, let's go ahead, lift her up and start tearing into her. We'll catch you in an update. Alright, a little bit of an update. We got this clip off. It was really freaking hard. We got the clip off, so now I'm just waiting for the ball joint press to show up. My dad is going to pick it up for me. He's on his way home from work, so it just makes the most sense. And then we're going to press this ball joint out, and same thing with the other side, but kind of bad news on this other side. The clip I cannot get out, so Keith's going to come over after he gets off work, and he's going to help me pull that out. But the upper control arms went on really easy, and yeah, we'll jump back to the time lapse. Guys, so as you can see, we are outside. I forgot to film the rest of the putting the tires on, but yeah, she's all greased up, new and shiny, good ball joints. So yeah, I'm gonna go take it over to the shop and get it aligned, drop it off for them. So yeah, we'll go over there. Guys, so we are here now. Unfortunately, I-15, you know, the interstate is right there, so it's really loud, but the Tacoma is getting dropped off. I don't know, it feels like it's a lot rougher of a ride, so, and it's definitely, I've steered a lot, so hopefully the alignment will fix that, and then I'm going to go get my tires balanced again after this. I think I may have screwed it up when I took them off, and then from there, I guess we'll just go driver and tester. Also, Tunex, I don't know if that's international. In Utah they have a bunch of these, so if you want, go check them out. They've always done me really good, and they're actually a pretty good price on an alignment. So yeah, boys, we got our freaking invoice. The truck is done, and as you can tell, it's not in that spot anymore. So over here, the guy told me that the alignment went really well. It turned out really good, so I think it looks pretty good. It is definitely still a hair high in the back, but not bad at all. I think, especially if I put anything in the back, I'll put any toys, mini bikes, whatever, I think it'll level it out. When I tow my trailer, it'll be slanted a little bit, which I think will look good. So yeah, we got to continue building it, put some air on it, but let's take it for a drive and see how it is, and we'll close out this video. All right guys, come back from the future a lot editing this video. I never gave you my impression on driving in the truck with it being mid-travel. It is awesome. I had mixed feelings at the beginning. I was like, but this was before the alignment. I was like, it's riding super rough and everything. I don't think it was worth it at all. It was riding way worse. Got an alignment and it's riding fantastic. It's amazing, super soft. I haven't driven it without the sway bar off, but I don't know. With everything being the same factors except the new upper control arms for mid-travel, it was riding incredible. The steering was way better. They got it all fixed. The steering wheel is actually straight too. Highly, highly recommend them. I would actually recommend, if you're gonna, instead of going to the SPC ones, I would recommend, O'Reilly has ones that I've actually got my hands on them, and they look the exact same as the SPC ones, but instead of being $630, $650 or so, plus shipping, those ones are like $300. So if I were to do it again, I'd probably get those, and because they look the exact same, the ball joint looks the same, and everything else. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. I did have an error of getting the film time lapse for lifting the truck up and getting it disassembled a fair amount of way, and I forgot to do the others. But you know, we're trying our best. We're having fun. Hopefully we can keep you to do more and more epic videos, get some more driving videos of this. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.